Hi everyone, I am Somasundari, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from SRM, Madurai College for Engineering and Technology. Today, I am going to talk about a fundamental concept in C programming, data types. This topic is essential because understanding data types is key to writing efficient and error-free programs. Data types. Data types are defined as the data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform that a basic operation. Data types are used to define a variable before to use in a program. What are the uses of data types? Identify the type of variable when it declared. Then identify the type of return value of a function. Next, identify the type of parameter expected by a function. So these are the uses of data types. Why we need data types? Every variable in C must have a type so that the compiler knows how much memory to allocate and what kind of operation can be performed on it. Without data types, programming would be chaotic and unreliable. Data types make the code more readable and easier to understand by clearly defining the type of data being used. This makes the code easier to maintain and debug. Primary data types. These are the fundamental or basic data types in C, namely integer, real, character, and void. Integer data types. Integer data types are used to store whole numbers without any fractional or decimal points. The primary keyword used for integer is int. Int is a signed integer. That means it can store both positive and negative values. The exact size in bytes and the range of it can vary depending on the system and the compiler, but it's typically 2 or 4 bytes. When printing an integer value using printf, the percentage of d formal specifier is used. Character data type. Character data type allow its variable to store only a single character. The size of the character is 1 byte. It is the most basic data types in C. It stores a single character and requires a single byte of memory in almost all compilers. We use the percentage of C format specifier to print it. The character data types is also divided into two types: signed character and unsigned character. The signed characters range is minus 128 to plus 127. The unsigned character data type is 0 to 225. Void data types. Void data types means no value. This is usually used to specify the type of functions which returns nothing by defining in front of main or any other function and ask blank arguments within functional bracket. This data types also divided into two types: void main and void main of void. Derived data types. In C, the data types derived from the primitive or built-in data types are called derived data types. In other words, the derived data types are those data types that are created by combining primitive data types and other derived data types. There are two derived data types available in C. They are as follows: arrays and pointer. Arrays. Arrays in C is a fixed size collection. Pointer. A pointer in C language is a data type that stores the address where data is stored. Pointers store memory addresses of variables, functions, and even other points. The declaration of pointer. Data type star pointer name the semicolon. The properties of pointers in C. A pointer can be any type such as integer, pointer, function, pointers, etc. A pointer can be any level deep such as a double pointer, pointer to pointer, triple pointer, etc. All types of pointers have the same size on the given platform. Pointers may be of different sizes on different platforms. User defined data types in C. The data types defined by the user themselves are referred to as user defined data types. These data types are derived from the existing data types. The need of user defined data types are it enables customization in the code. User can write more efficient and flexible code and then provide the abstraction. What are the types of user defined data types? There are four types of user defined data types in C. They are structure, union, enum, typedef. Structure. As we know, C does not have built-in object-oriented features like C++, but structure can be used to achieve encapsulation to some level. Structures are used to group items of different types into a single type. The struct keyword is used to define a structure. The size of the structure is equal to or greater than the total size of all its members. Next one is union. Unions are similar to structures in many ways. What makes a union different is that all the members in the union are stored in the same memory location, resulting in what makes a union different is that all the members in the union are stored in the same memory location, resulting in only one member containing data at the same time. The size of the union is the size of its large member. Union is declared using the union keyword. The syntax of union is union name, open bracket, data type 1, data type 2, and close the enumeration. Enums is short for enumeration. It allows the user to create custom data types with a set of named integer constants. The enum keyword is used to declare an enumeration. Enum simplifies and makes the program more readable. The last one is typedef. It is used to redefine the existing data type names. Basically, it is used to provide new names to the existing data types. The typedef keyword is used for this purpose. The syntax of the typedef data types is typedef exiting name and new name with a semicolon. Thank you for support.